Hello, everybody. My name is Alain Alinda. I'm going to present to you a brief overview of the Geographic Information System. This is an assignment for the Information System module in the Masters in Information System Management program from the University of Salford. So this presentation is consisted with three main points. The first one is why do I need to know? The second is the Web GIS revolution. The third is the GIS applications, and we will conclude with some resources and references. So as you can see on this world map, the geographic space consists of a very large scale data. So this is a huge amount of unstructured data. And which could not give any value because they are not structured, and it's beyond the human body capacity. From the World Fact Book, we have seen that the total surface of the Earth is of 510 million square kilometers. So this is a huge surface, and there is buildings, there is roads, there is rivers, there is oceans, which should be represented on a map to give value for the communities and governments. So have you ever wondered how could you locate a people, an object at any time? So this is a provoking question which there is many years ago it could not be answered, or the answer could be on the negative. But actually, we can say yes, because with the advancing of the technologies and with the geographic information system, we can locate people or object at any time of the day. So these challenges on this slide are all solved with the geographic information system. We can view land topography. We can decide which will be a use of a land based on the geographic information system. We can predict weather forecasts with these maps were provided by the Geographic Information System. So a GIS can be think of as a platform which help to link the spatial information or the locational information and database information, which will enable a person to visualize patterns, relationships, and trends. So this process gives an entirely new perspective to data analysis that cannot be seen in a table or list format. In this slide, we can see five main components of a GIS. They are hardware, software, data, methods, and people. So all of these are the systems or are the components for GIS. And every component of this operate for giving a complete working GIS system. Our next point is the sorry. Our next point is the Web GIS revolution. On the preceding slide, we have seen that the traditional components of GIS. But this the recent years, we have seen a revolution of the GIS because with this revolution, there is no more a need for GIS software to access this information because you don't need an application running on a desktop or a laptop to access the maps. But with the access to the internet, you can access the location of any people or any object. With this revolution, we have seen the sharing and communicating of knowledge about the Earth's surface on different platforms. I can share my location with my family members directly from my mobile device. There is also a variety of websites offering mapping or geospatial services. So to name the few, we can say there is ArcGIS Online, there is Google Maps, there is OpenStreetMap or Bing Maps, from where we can access any place on the earth at any specific time. So we can say of this as being the GIS at 2.0 because there is now online mapping sites and apps where users can access this information on the go. And these maps are contributed by the users themselves, so they are not provided by companies, but they are built by the users who provide information concerning their streets, provide information concerning their communities, and something like that. An example is about the Waze application, which provide traffic information to drivers or some people who are on the roads. This information which could not be provided by GPS providers or companies in the vehicles. So we can say that mobile technology and software are the main enablers of the WebGIS revolution because mobile devices, whether be smartphone, tablets, or laptop, are now equipped with GPS cards, Wi-Fi cards, beacons, which are all of these technologies helping to detect the location of an object or of a person. Some of GIS applications could be the location-based social media networks, where users on these networks have been evaluated to around 15 million users. These social media platform where users could share their location or view on or see people on the same network based on their location. So if I'm in a given town and I want to see friends who are in the same town, I can see on this social media people around me. And the famous of them are Foursquare, Google Latitude, and so many more of them. Other GIS applications are these location-based services, which provide localization service or service provision and communication services, such as data and content personalization based on location. For example, currency on Amazon can be defined directly based on my location. This slide presents a specific application based by the industry, from retail industry, social industry, entertainment, travel, security, and healthcare industry. All of this could be applied GIS technologies to provide an added value to users or business. And the customers could get personalized services based on their location, whether be the navigation, the search, the weather, the guide, and specific offers based on their location or some location updates. And the type of location can be whether indoor location with specific technologies or outdoor location with specific capabilities. So thank you for viewing this video. Thank you, and give us your comments below. Bye bye.